We are carrying on with the paper solution of the model paper set by the Goa Board for the 2021 batch. This is the section C comprehension, the third part of this video. So, in the first, there is a 5A, the first comprehension. As I told you before, it's advisable that you read your questions first so you know what you're looking out for. So, you are asked le verbe correspondant ou non la réponse. So, la réponse is the noun for the answer. So, you're looking for the verb of that to answer. Okay. Then, le nom correspondant au verbe voyager. The opposite now. You're given the verb here. That is voyager. You're looking for the noun. That will either be the travel, okay, or the journey, or the journeyman, the traveler. Okay, one of those two. Then, le contraire de derrière. You know, derrière is behind, so you'll be looking for something which means in front of. Okay, then you have to complete with a word from the text. Le professeur me pose une dash. What can you be asked? Poser is to ask, so this is obviously question. Okay, so you have to find the word question. You can already keep it ready, you just have to check that it comes in the text. Then you have le dash et sa reine entre dans le château. Who is a reine is a queen, so this has to be king. Okay, so we'll have to find the word here for king. Then, la chanteuse Céline Dion a une dash mélodieuse. The singer Céline Dion has a melodious dash. What can you have a melodious of? If you are a good singer, you have to have a melodious voice. So here you're looking for the word voice. Okay, now let's read. Il était une fois un seigneur qui s'appelait Halloween. Il avait une voix mélodieuse. You already have your answer here. Une voix mélodieuse. Okay, it's the same construction as well. Une voix mélodieuse. Then, et à chaque fois qu'il chantait, il rendait captif toutes les filles qui l'entendaient. Elle ne rentrait jamais chez elle, et dans tout le pays, le seigneur Halloween était craint et détesté. La fille du roi a entendu cette histoire par un voyageur qui venait d'arriver dans la ville. We were looking for a noun corresponding to the verb voyageur. Here it is for you. Voyageur is to travel. Voyageur is a traveler or a journeyman. Okay? Then, c'était une princesse très jolie et fort réservée, que ses parents adoraient. Elle se présente un matin devant son père et lui demande. Now you are looking for something as the opposite of derrière. It is here devant. She presents herself before her father. So derrière is after or behind. Devant is in front of. Papa, nous permettez-vous d'aller chez le seigneur Halloween? Ah non, pas toi. Toutes les filles qui se rendent auprès de lui ne reviennent pas, répond le roi. You are looking for the verb corresponding to the noun answer. The verb is here. To answer, you have to put it into its infinitive. You know it is an RE verb, so it is répondre. Okay, to answer. Then, elle pose la même question à sa mère. So now you have your question. You just have to check that it came in the passage. Here it is. Et à sa sœur, mais elle obtient à chaque fois la même réponse. Now, you are looking for, we've got everything. We've got 1, 2, 3. We've got 1 and 3. Here we were looking for the king. So where is the king? The king is here. Okay, la fille du roi is the king. So we've solved all the vocabulary items. Let's go for the question. So, Halloween, comment rendait-il captif toutes les filles? Here it's in this line. You can see il rendait captif toutes les filles. And how? Because he had a melodious voice. So, the first answer will be Halloween rendait captif toutes les filles avec sa voix mélodieuse. That's enough. Then the second question. Pourquoi le roi ne donne-t-il pas à sa fille la permission d'aller chez Halloween? Why did the father, the king, not allow the daughter to go and visit Halloween? It is here in the next line. elles ne rentraient jamais, what the L here, the young girls, okay? They never returned home after visiting the Lord Halloween. So the king was scared of sending his daughter to visit him. You can also take it from here. It's the same thing. Okay. So le roi ne donne pas à sa fille la permission d'aller chez Halloween. You can take it from here. Okay. Parce que toutes les filles qui seront, you can actually take it directly from here. Okay, toutes les filles qui seront auprès de lui ne reviennent pas. It's exactly as it is, you can take it from here. Because all the girls who went to visit him never returned. So that is your answer here. Okay, then qui a raconté l'histoire du Seigneur Halloween à la fille du roi? Who told the daughter of the king about Halloween? It is here. La fille du roi a entendu cette histoire par un voyageur qui venait d'arriver dans la vie. So it's given to you here in the passive voice, you have to change it into the active voice. So here instead of qui, you will just have to put this from here. Un voyageur qui venait dans la vie. And then you take it from the question. A raconté l'histoire du Seigneur Halloween à la fille du roi. Okay, so with that you're done with the first comprehension. Let's go to the second one. Again, let's read this is question 6. Okay, let's read the vocabulary items, what we need to find. Un autre mot pour les routes, another word for routes. So you're looking for streets, roads, something like that. L'infinitif du verbe correspondant au nom, la salutation. So here you're given the noun, la salutation. You are looking for the verb, okay, to salute. Une couleur qui se trouve dans le texte. A color which is found in the text, name of a color. So, let's read. Comme chaque matin, Henry se rend à l'école. Son petit cartable sur le dos et son sac de repas à la main. Il habite un peu à l'écart du village, dans une grande maison bleue, où il vit avec ses parents, sa grand-mère et ses deux sœurs Martine et Lisette. So you were looking for a color. If you haven't got it already, it is here. Bleu is the color blue. Elles sont déjà à la grande école et partent le matin en car scolaire pour la ville de Paris. Henri, lui, va à l'école à pied à travers les rues du village. You are looking for streets or roads, it is here. Les rues, the streets. Then, tout ce qu'il rencontre ne manque pas de le saluer. You are looking for the noun of salutation, it is here. Saluer, to salute. Okay, c'est un gentil petit garçon, toujours prêt à rendre service. Tout le monde l'aime bien, il a toujours le sourire et chante souvent des chansons du bon vieux temps que lui a appris sa grand-mère. So, your questions here are, Henry, avec qui habite-t-il? So it's given here, but the verb is different. Il vit is given. It's the same thing. To live comes from vivre. Okay? So, il vit avec ses parents, sa grand-mère et ses deux sœurs, Martine et Lisette. So, you will say, take it as it is given in the question. You will say Henry habite avec, and then you take it from here. Avec ses parents, sa grand-mère et ses deux sœurs, Martine et Lisette. Then, the second question, pourquoi tout le monde aime-t-il le petit garçon Henry? Why does everyone like the little boy? It's given here. Okay, tout le monde l'aime bien. Everyone likes him. So, your answer as to why they like him is in the previous line, because he is a kind boy. He is always ready to help others. Okay, that is, you asked for two reasons. Those are two reasons. So, tout le monde aime le petit garçon Henry parce qu'il est gentil. Okay, you don't have to say that he's a little boy again. He's just kind. A, the second reason would be il est toujours prêt à rendre service. Okay, then the third question. Nommez deux villes en France qui ne se trouvent pas dans le texte. Ne se trouvent pas. Which you don't find in the text. So, which cities in France can you find in the text? There is actually only one here, which is Paris. So you have to name two others which are not in the text. So you can say, take it from here, deux villes en France qui ne se trouvent pas dans le texte sont, okay, you can name any two others. You have Lyon, Nice, okay, Marseille, Rennes. Okay, you can name any two other cities in France which you know of. Don't add Paris because that is in the passage. They've clearly told you which is not in the passage. Then, the C question is you have to make sentences with these phrases. So, rendre service is to be of service, to be of help. So, you can say, il faut rendre service à nos parents. We must be of service, or we must help our parents. Instead of saying à nos parents, you can say aux âgés, to the elderly. Okay? Simple sentences. Then, chaque matin, every morning. What do you do every morning? You can say, je lis le journal chaque matin. I read the newspaper every morning. Or you can say, je vais à l'école chaque matin. I go to school every morning. Something like that. Simple sentences. Okay? Then, third one, tout le monde. You can say tout le monde, everyone. Remember, this is to check your conjugation because tout le monde goes as il. Okay? So, tout le monde aime manger de la glace. Everyone likes to have ice cream, or everyone likes to eat ice cream. Or you can say tout le monde va au cinéma pour voir le film. Everyone is going to the cinema to watch the film. Okay, so you can write simple sentences like this for your C question of question 6, which is frame sentences with the given words. This is the end of the comprehension section. In the last video, we will solve the expression section.